10 reasons why the lie in the garden still a lie. 10 reasons why the lie in the garden is still a lie. And the first one is, you be the God knowing good and evil. The serpent have told Eve, you be like gods knowing good and evil. Number 2, the art of being a god of this world. You can be your own God. Number 3, you can be a witch, but be a Christian witch to deceive the simple and the ignorant people. 4, you don't need a man, especially a pastor, telling you how to live your life. You are God. 5, know the right of being righteous in your own eyes. As the book of Judges states, they did everything right in their own eyes. 6, there's no God in this world. Look at the evilness and death rate among us. See, the devil is the God of this world. He's a liar and the father of lies. 7, magic is good, so be a good magician and be a Christian. 8, once your witness, once in darkness, and staying in the path of darkness when you become a witch. 9, if you are not saved according to the Bible, you are living a lie. And 10, all liars shall have their part in the lake of fire. Living a lie and not the truth. Jesus said, I am the way, the truth, and the life. 10 reasons why the lie in the garden still a lie.